Hello everyone, this is Fifi and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a hair and makeup video. I haven't done a hair video ever because I don't ever fix my hair, but I did this look for a ball last year. I went to like a kind of year-end ball for school, and I curled. Well, my hair is already curly. This is my natural hair. I just showered and it's drying, so it's still a bit wet, and that's what we want. And we're gonna curl it even more. I did this without a curling iron, but I used a flat iron. Wait, by the way, I have this huge mosquito bite on my face. I'm so sorry. It's there. We'll cover it with makeup later, pero andyan na talaga siya. So sorry. Just don't look at it. This one. This is actually both a curling iron and a flat iron. If you close it with this switch, it becomes a curling iron. And then opening it again, it becomes a flat iron. Pero this barrel is too thick for the curls that I wanted. This is actually the size of, like, this barrel is the size of my curls already. Sorry, medyo frizzy siya right now because it just came out of the shower and I combed through it. I don't normally comb, but for this instance, because we're styling it, I combed through my hair. But if I didn't comb it, this would be the size of my curls. We will do this look with this. This is a chopstick, and what we're gonna do is, well, what I did with that look, I don't actually honestly remember how I did piece of hair. Maybe this piece of hair. It's already curly, but we're gonna curl it some more. So more spiral curls this time. So what I did is I just wrapped it around like this, and then once you wrap it around, you take your iron and you kind of do this. If you can see it, you spread it out. Just iron your hair on the stick for about, like, maybe count up to 5. Okay, and this is when the magic happens. You just pull your hair out and voila, this is what it looks like. You pull on it a bit and it'll spring back up. We'll separate these later, but yeah, this is the idea. We're gonna do the rest of my hair and we're gonna be here a while, so let's do this. First, I divided this into 2, and then I'm gonna clip this first, twist, and then this section I'm going to divide into 2. Just get your hair out of the way from the section that you're going to work on first. By the way, disclaimer, I am not a hair expert by any means. I don't even comb my hair regularly. Just saying. I realized that my hair is longer now than it was last year. I haven't cut it since, so this is gonna take a while. So what do? Is you twist in. For the strands under, usually I twist it inside. And make sure you keep your fingers fixed. But you don't let it go and let it flow with the chopstick. No, you twist it together against the stick. So it's kind of coiled together. It twists at the same time. You get your iron, and make sure you do this in front of a mirror if you're doing this on yourself. Kasi, mommy, you're gonna burn yourself. Oh shoot, I forgot to put heat protectant. Well, see, this is why we are amateurs. We forgot to put heat protectant. Before you start with your ironing, unlike I did, you spray heat protectant over your hair, especially if you have curly hair or even if you have straight hair. Please always use heat protectant when you use heat or iron or blow dryers or anything, because heat damages your hair. I am going to spritz this. This strand is no longer protected, so she is in grave danger, her life. And I'm just going to be praying for her. Spray, and then make sure you comb through your hair after you spray so that the chemicals are evenly distributed throughout your hair. Wow, this video is already going bad. And it's just been 4 minutes. Sometimes you miss the ends, so I go back to it. Just stamp on it again, just to make sure. After every few strands, I grab my hairspray, spritz on the curls, scrunch it up a bit so that it doesn't deplete. Okay, a tip, before you roll your hair onto the stick, you twist it inside first. On this section, I twisted it outside, so basically you twist it to your right, yeah. And then once you twist it, you start coiling it onto the stick. I'm so tired, mommy! Okay, so as you can see, we are done with the hair. Well, not completely done. I finished curling all of it, and we will separate the strands later, but we can get a bigger effect. But then before we do that, I am going to do my makeup first. I already started with my foundation and I am already baking. So we're gonna do the eyes, and yeah, I'm just gonna zoom you in. Like this. Okay everyone, so I am finished with the face. I have the lips left, but this is the look. Hope you can see it. I'm gonna zoom you in again. Okay, so these are the eyes. This is loose glitter under from JCat. This is the Rockin' the Night loose glitter, and I just used lash glue for the adhesive. And then I just contoured and put blush on. That's it. The eye look is super simple. Just transition shades, blend, glitter on top, blend, wing liner, lashes, bam! We got it. So now the moment we've been waiting for is the hair. What we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to separate these tendrils to form smaller strands. So for example, this strand, I'm just going to separate these like so. Okay, there we go. So it looks like this now. Kind of pull it a bit, but not too much. You just have to be careful not to be too aggressive because it tangles at the bottom. So you just have to separate them with love. Okay, this is she. How's she looking? Isn't she amazing? Okay, so after this hair, if you're off to a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ball or a night out, you just spritz this with hairspray. Not too much though, so that it doesn't get all hard and stiff, but just enough to keep your curls intact. Especially for those people who have straight hair and are doing this. If you have curly hair but you just want amplified curls like this one, I don't think you're gonna have that much of a hard time, you know, maintaining it throughout the night because you have curly hair and they stay intact. But if you have straight hair, and a lot of people with straight hair have really stubborn straight hair and don't want to stay curled, you have to pack on that hairspray. And maybe put on some mousse before actually doing this. I didn't have to put on mousse because well, I'm curly enough and my curls do stay intact. So yeah, this is it. Last but not the least, we are going with a nice, simple but glittery lip. This one is the Revlon Matte Balm in the shade Sultry Fruits. This is one of my favorite lipsticks ever. So I just dab this, nothing too major, just for that base color, because this is our base color. Isn't that gorgeous? This is one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. And then the star of the show, aside from the hair, is this guy. This is the ColourPop Twinkling Lights Kathleen X ColourPop Lip Gloss in Night Light. This is she. Okay, so there we have it for today. This is the look. This is what my dress looks like, for those of you who don't know. Oh no, my boob. Yes, this is my fairy princess look. I feel like Glinda from Wicked right now. You won't be able to use this look anytime soon unless you want to do this at home and look fabulous while just lounging and maybe working. This is not an encouragement to go out and party. This is just a nice glam look that I wanted to share, and I hope everyone liked it. These curls feel so soft. I feel like it's this one. This one makes your hair really soft. It controls frizz. It says 48-hour frizz control. So I think this is it. The last time I did this, my hair was this short. Now there's just so much hair. This dress is from, I don't know the, oh no. This is the brand of this dress. I'm just gonna put the brand of this dress here because I forgot to check. I bought this in Mega Mall department store for 3,000 pesos. Pretty cool, huh? Super nice. Okay, so that's it for this video. Everyone, thank you so much for swimming by my channel. There will be more videos uploaded in the coming week, so I hope you check that out. And if you have any video recommendations, please comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you. Oh, and like this video if you liked it. And I will see you next week. Bye! Stay safe, stay sane, wear your masks. Adios!